Most New Jersey residents have a motor vehicle policy that comes under what we call the verbal threshold. Probably 90% of the people have a verbal threshold on their policy. That means verbal as opposed to monetary. In some states, if you have a certain amount of dollar injuries, for example, $2,000 worth of injuries, you can file a lawsuit. That's what they mean by a monetary threshold. In New Jersey, that's not the case. We have a verbal threshold, which means your injury has to fall within specific categories in order to qualify for a lawsuit. The most common is it has to be a permanent injury proximately caused by the accident, and there are specific definitions of what is a permanent injury. Many times that's the subject of a lawsuit. Many times an insurance company will come to court and say, we admit the accident was our fault, but we deny there's a permanent injury here. Now there are other cases where a permanent injury is a given. A displaced fracture, for example, loss of a fetus, a loss of a limb. These are just some examples of what can be considered automatic cases. The others have to fall within that big catch-all permanent injury as certified to by your treating doctor. Not a doctor an attorney sends you to, but a doctor that's treating you for the injury. Certifies under oath that it's a permanent injury proximately caused by the accident. Then you'll have a case.